This is an exciting day because it's an opportunity for Central Louisiana Technical Community College and Northwestern to enter into an important partnership between the two institutions. This is going to be quite helpful to the employees of the various campuses of the community college system in this region, and at the same time it's going to enable Northwestern to broaden its academic offerings, its degree programs, as well as the course offerings that it has, whether on site or probably online for many of their employees.
Those individual students who cannot gain immediate access to the four-year university and have to go into remedial developmental education courses can then come to us, get those developmental remedial education courses, and get a certificate here prior to possibly continuing their education with us or going to Northwestern to continue a program there. In the long run, I always encourage our students to kind of put together those building blocks. So certificates you can get within around 9 months, you can get a diploma within 12 to 18 months, and an associate degree within 2 years. In a particular field, but I tell them don't stop there. You know, always consider a four-year degree, no matter how much money you're making.
We think this is win-win, win-win, because it's for the two institutions involved, it's for their faculty, and it's for their students as well as their staff.